Number 23. Identify the sequence of transformations that maps ABCD to JKLM. Alright, so we're starting up here with this one, and we want to end up down here. So let's check our options. The first one says reflect across the x-axis. So if we take our starting trapezoid and we reflect it across the x-axis, we're going to be down here in quadrant 4. And then it says to translate it by subtracting 2 from the x, we'd be moving 2 left and 10 up. If we move 10 up, we're definitely not going to end up where we want to go. So I'm going to mark out A. And then let's check B. If we reflect across the y-axis, we would be right over here in quadrant 2. And then if we move 2 to the left and 10 up, we would be way up off of our screen. So that's not going to work either. All right, let's check this one. If we reflect across the x-axis, we're down here in quadrant 4. And then it says move 2 to the right and 10 down. Not feeling so good about that one. That's going to end up way down here. So the last one says reflect across the y-axis, so we'll be over here, and then move 2 to the right. So let's just check a point. Let's do point D. If we reflect across the y-axis, it takes us 4 to get to the y-axis, so we would go 4 in the opposite direction. And then if we took that point D and we moved it 2 to the right, it would end up here. And then if we moved it 10 down, 1, 2, wait, these are going by 2s. Just kidding. So do you guys see my mistake when I said just kidding? These units are not 1 each, right? It goes from 0 and then to 4. So 2, 4, 6, 8. So each of these is 2 units. So if we want to move 2 units to the right, that's actually only 1 space. And then if we want to move 10 units down, we would have to count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So that is where D would end up. We sometimes call that D double prime, but they've labeled it as M. So this last one does work. You could check every ordered pair if you want to, but that one does work.